No, my dear friends and people of goodwill. First of all, you have to remember that Russian regime must be destroyed. Today is the day of national flag of Crimean Tatars. So, who are Crimean Tatars and what connections they have to Ukraine? Crimean Tatars is a national minority in Ukraine, and it's also indigenous people. It's Ukrainians, Krimchaks and Karayims. This flag is a symbol and it's a national symbol and national flag of Crimean Tatars. The tamga, the taraka, you see this yellow on the blue flag, it was a symbol of Gerais. Gerais were it was a dynasty who ruled by Crimean Khanate, national state of Crimean Tatars, through 300 years. So, Russian occupation of Ukrainian integral territory began 20th of February 2014. So 26th of February 2014, thousands Crimean Tatars and Ukrainians with Crimean Tatar and Ukrainian flags came near the local parliament of Crimean Autonomous Peninsula in Ukraine to protest against Russian invasion. So that time we have slogan to flags one country. So this flags means a lot for Crimean Tatars, but it also means a lot for all Ukraine, because this flag is a symbol of fight for Ukrainian integrity, for Ukrainian independence. Now Ukraine is struggling for its independence, and maybe we'll speak less about Crimea. But we have to remember that people in Crimea live under the occupation more than 8 years. So this flag is a symbol of integrity, it's a symbol of independence of Ukraine, the symbol of fight for freedom, for our own rights. Please remember this, and please take this flag and remember about Crimea, remember about people who occupied and live under the occupation. Now, in connection with many of my friends in Crimea, of course we cannot speak openly. We have to speak with some nickname, like with some key name, because it's dangerous for them to speak openly what is going on. Anyway, somehow I get information that now it's almost very dangerous to say something about war, about, let's say, special operation, but there are many dead Russian soldiers and wounded Russian soldiers in Crimean hospitals. So we hope that in short time we will walk through Ukrainian, Crimean cities and villages with these flags, Ukrainian and Crimean Tatar. And we have to say, Yaşa Qırım, Slava Ukraini.